How you recovering?
Yeah, it's pretty good. It's been long time off the field and recovered now. And last 10-15 days I've been really pushing hard for the first stats. So hopefully I can start well when I come back.
There's also talk of there being maybe too much cricket for the Indian players. How do you think BCCI should go about, player fatigue concern?
I think whenever you want a rest, you've been given with that opportunity. So it's nothing. I think this is the best time of our lives. The more cricket we play, the more we will remember it and the people of India. So I think whenever your body needs rest, and you ask for it and you get it. So there are no issues over there.
Is there
But
any favorite something that you wear?
when I was a young kid, I heard that Sachin always wears his left pad first. So I just try and do that all the time.
That's it?
That's it.
No little red rag, no handkerchief,
No. Nothing like Srishant.
What plans for New Year's, right?
Yeah, that's correct.
Well, plans for New Year's. I don't think we have too many plans because I think we're going to Australia, and it's going to be a very tough tour. So preparations are going to start with the West Indies series, which is also a tough series in India. So no plans at the moment. Hopefully, if we can win in Australia, win the West Indies Test series, that'll be a good plan. Hardest bowler I ever faced,
Yeah.
Muralidharan, and he's retired.
So I mean to say, who is at present, the bowler?
Sorry?
which you- At present, who is the bowler?
Who at present, who's still
Who
playing?
At present, I think Zahir Khan. बड़ा मुश्किल है नेट में खेलना उसको. So yeah, Zach.
You went for the Formula One, the first Indian Formula One, which was held day before yesterday. What was that experience like, and how ready do you think Indian fans are for motorsport?
I think I've been misquoted on this. Said F1 popularity cannot match cricket. I never said that. I said it is going to be difficult to match the popularity of cricket because it's a master's game. It's been there for so many years. F1 is a great sport. I'm a fan of motorsport racing.
What was the experience like now in Delhi?
It was great. I think the sound of the engine really fascinated me, and it was, the first 15-20 laps, I just stood still. I just couldn't believe the sound of an engine can be so strong to your ears.
Did you use earplugs?
After the first lap, yeah, it was really hard. So I think it was a fascinating event. Everybody loved F1, and hopefully it should come back soon.